What is going on, my YouTube people? It's your boy, the one and only Zookeeper. And I'm out here with my partner over here doing a little boating. That's my partner Chris right there. And we're doing some boating. He gotta go retrieve his boat right now. I think he said his drive shaft came loose. We got another boat right there too. All right, now I got you on film trying to retrieve that. Can he do it, y'all? Oh, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that dislike button. But whatever you do, get at your boy. We finna do everything now. We boating. You see him, we bringing it in. We drag racing, we doing boats. We doing it all. He having a time, y'all. Let's see if I can post this up. Drive over here and get him. Right there with you, boy. Okay. I see you, Chris. All right, guys, I ain't had to help him. Ha! Chris got it out of there. That's a brush. This ain't brushless, this brush. That's what we use to retrieve the boats. This is something y'all had sitting on my shelf for a while. Let me see if I can drive with one hand. Alright. Alright, guys, he lost his prop. Let me see your boat, bro. Lost the prop. So I guess we're gonna have to call it a day. Trying to drive with one hand. Bring him back. Ooh. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a day. He lost his prop. Get on out of here. Subscribe, like, dislike, or whatever you do. Get your boy. Quit filming the boats. We'll be back soon.